Are you guys in for a solo adventure? Welcome to Bali, Indonesia! Charot!
Welcome to Paradise, bro!
Welcome to paradise, bro! Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kripo Traveler. And it's 12 midnight. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Bali, Indonesia. So it's a solo trip. Gusto ko maging laid back lang yung travel na to, guys. Maraming religious sites and temples doon. And of course, the beach. And it's a paradise for digital nomads. So I'm gonna be working from home there. So kung kayo guys ay mag-abroad, gaya ng Bali, you can book your activities via Klook and then use my promo code DaveKino. Pwede rin kayo mag-book ng inyong hotel via Klook, okay? Ang haba ng pila, nakakaloka. So guys, I'm so excited for this trip because it's really a solo travel. Grabe yung pila. 3:45 yung flight. It's 12:45. So 3 hours before, nakapila na tayo dito. So actually guys, nag-check-in na tayo. Pero kahit nag-check-in na tayo, hindi pa binibigay yung boarding pass. Kailangan muna natin dito dumaan sa check-in counter. So kailangan talaga pumunta kayo 3 to 4 hours before your flight. Safe na ang 4 hours talaga. If that's traveling to Denpasar, please scan to complete prior to departure. Ayan yung website. So we just finished getting our boarding pass. So anong oras ba yung ano natin? What time? 3 o'clock. My gosh, yung boarding time. So punta na tayo sa immigration. Ano lang tayo guys? Backpacker lang. So wala tayong check-in baggage. Okay, so magaan lang naman yung bagahe ko. Ako naman talaga yung light packer. So ngayon, punta tayo sa immigration. May kailangan tayong fill-outan or accomplish for Bali trip. Okay? Para sa mga pupunta ng Bali. Although it's visa-free for Pinoys. So this is Naiya at 1 a.m. Oh my goodness! It's 1 a.m. and walang pila sa immigration. Ayun. So bago pumasok sa immigration, make sure to fill out your e-travel. Okay? e-travel.gov.ph. Ayan, walang kapila-pila. My gosh! Nakakatuwa. Usually kasi umabot ng 1 hour kapag mahaba yung pila. So for sure, mabilis lang tayo dyan ngayon. May malaking LED for the e-travel. Ayan o. Ayan. Paalala, e-travel is required. Tanong lang sa atin kung government employee tayo. Ayun. Kailan yung balik? So lumagpas na tayo sa immigration guys. Grabe yung 16 minutes sa immigration. Grabe yung pagiging jet setter natin today. So sunod-sunod yung client meetings and then nagkaroon pa tayo ng team outing, nagkaraoke pa tayo and then nag-empake sa bahay and then diretso dito sa airport. So, YOLO. Ayun, ito lang naman yung gusto ko sa buhay. Diba? Mag-work, mag-travel, but again, I'm not working. I did not file a leave. I'll work from home. It's 2 a.m. and we're on our way to our boarding gate. So guys, yung requirements, it's visa-free naman for us Filipinos or Philippine passport holders yung Indonesia. So, kailangan natin ng passport and then passport na valid at least 6 months during your trip. And then, doon sa check-in counter natin kanina sa airlines natin, kailangan natin i-scan tapos kailangan natin i-complete yung electronic customs declaration. Okay? And then, yun, for Bali. That's only for Bali. And then, i-travel, of course, kailangan nyo yan before pumasok sa immigration. I-travel, ano pa ba? Of course, your boarding pass. Yun ang 4 major things na dapat meron kayo. Okay? Para kayo makapag-travel to Bali. Gate 104 tayo, guys. Hi! I'm excited, guys, kasi it's our first time na to-travel ulit ng solo after 5 years. So yung first solo trip natin, it was in Bangkok. Nanood tayo ng Miss Universe. And then now it's in Bali. So it's our first solo trip since the pandemic kasi laging with friends and I feel like it's very liberating and may sense of independence. And masaya naman mag-travel with friends pero it's different now kasi wala ka masyadong inaalala, di ba? Wala ka masyadong i-consider na iba. Diba? You can do whatever you want to do. You can go wherever you want to go. And kontrolado mo yung oras mo. Yun. Wala kang iniisip na ibang tao, diba? Kundi sarili mo lang habang nasa trip na ito. So as much as possible, let's enjoy this one. Let's make it enjoyable. And of course, let's make it laid back. Ayokong ma-pressure, alright, sa trip na to. 7 days ito. 7 full days and 7 nights. So may nakapagsabi din kasi sa akin na she feels na I'm the type of person talaga na for solo trips. So tingnan natin kung gaano ko siya may enjoy. Morning na! Oh my goodness, my favorite seat. Window seat. Ito lang yung tulog natin. So 4 hours yung flight. 3 to 7 p.m. And kayo guys, prefer nyo din ba mag-solo trip or with friends? Comment down below. And ano yung favorite mong seat sa aeroplane? Good morning, Bali. Tingnan nyo naman yung kanilang architecture. Very distinct na Indonesian. Oh my God, we're here guys. Airport pa lang, Bali feels na talaga. Dahil sa, exterior ng kanilang airport. Let's go. Ang ganda ng airport. Ang aliwalas. My gosh. Ang ganda. Naiyak could never, guys. As in. Ito ang mga dapat natin improve sa Pinas. Yung mga infrastructure natin such as airport. Kasi ito yung ibubungad sa inyo. The airport will shape your first impression sa isang bansa. Diba? Welcome to Bali! Paglabas ng immigration, duty free agad, budol Islam. Pero ayun, bilis lang yung process. Pumila tayo sa immigration, tinanong lang tayo how many days. Paglabas nyo ng immigration, aside from duty free, ito na yung pag-claim ng baggage. Ito na, nakomplete na natin itong Electronic Customs Declaration, ECD. So, prepare your QR code of Customs Declaration. Okay, papakita lang natin na safe natin dito. May pa-x-ray machine pa si Mayor after Customs Declaration. Alright. Paglabas nyo guys, makaka-withdraw kayo ng cash. May mga ATM dito. Tapos mga exchange, money exchange. Okay? So, naka-withdraw tayo here. So, ito siya. Paglabas nyo ng arrival, bubungad sa inyo yung mga money changer. Okay? And then, may ATM machine. Yan yung nabasa ko yung orange na isa sa mga okay daw na pag-withdrawhan. So, after money changer, guys, mga ATM machine, pagkalabas, bubungad sa inyo yung mga stores for SIM card, ganun. Pero tayo, we have Big Sky Travel Wi-Fi. Alright, so ito yung maging best friend natin dito sa Bali. Kasi hindi tayo naka-leave, tayo mag-work from home. So okay na din yung Wi-Fi para connected tayo sa laptop, sa phone. Dalawa kasi yung phones ko, guys. Oh, ganda ng airport nila. Eto na, are you guys in for a solo adventure? Welcome to Bali, Indonesia! Charot! Ayan! Hello, Bali! Ganda ng airport! Nag-notify na sa GoTime app ko kasi yung ginamit ko pang withdraw ay yung GoTime card ko. So, yung 2.5 million Indonesian rupiah, it's equivalent to 9,135.81. Okay? Conversion from Indonesian rupiah to pesos. Yung 5,040, kapag magpapapalit ako sa Pilipinas, nasa ano siya eh, nasa 1 million lang, nasa 1 million Indonesian rupiah. So yung accommodation natin guys ay nasa Seminyak. So isa yan sa mga popular na accommodation areas here in Bali. Kasi napapanood ko sa vlog, it's very vibrant, touristy, yun yung mga betong lugar. And kung kayo guys ay magbabali, again, you can book your activities via Klook. I-comment ko sa baba. Kasi for this trip, it's laid back. Bale, 7-day trip, may dalawa lang tayong day trip na binook via Klook. Na i-comment ko sa baba, yung Ubud, tapos yung Nusa Penida. Ang ganda nung ano, ganda nung mga design sa airport talaga nila guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ganda oh, dito sa labas ng airport, ang aliwalas. Kitang-kita mo na yung culture, yung distinct na Bali aesthetic. Ayan, ang bait ni Kuya sa likod, medyo cutie pa siya. So nagtanong ako kung nasaan yung parking area. Tinuro naman niya sa akin. Pasok daw ako dyan. Okay, nakasakay na tayo dito guys. Tingnan natin. It's 100 pesos only. Bye-bye, your friends.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to Paradise, bro.
Welcome to Paradise, bro! So which part of this of Bali? Is the Seminyak already?
You know, this one is Kuta, bro.
Kuta.
Tarok City.
Oh yeah, it's near the airport.
This is the airport. Tarok City.
Yes.
You can,
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
you know,
Oh wow! There's a beach. Bata na din tayo nag-tutor ngayon guys. Yes, a lot of vlogs. So thank you so much guys. Now nandito na tayo ngayon sa Gojek. Nakasakay tayo ng motor with Kuya Puto, right?
yeah, my name is Putu Antara. Don't forget, use me, vitamin. Yes,
Don't
Bali.
forget. Hanapin nyo
Don't
sa, I'm saying find him if you go to Bali.
Yeah.
He's so hospitable.
Yeah.
So this reminds me of the Filipinos na very
You can
hospitable.
got my contact letter with your type, yeah.
Yes. Ayun, sana nakahelp yung vlog na ito kahit paano para magka-idea kayo kung paano pupunta dito sa Bali, yung mga requirements, the culture here, and the people, and the traffic. So guys, again, if magbabali kayo or mag-abroad, you can use my promo code sa Klook, mag-book kayo via Klook. Kung may bagahe kayo, pwede kayong mag-private transfer papunta sa hotel ninyo. Ngayon, nasa may Kuta area tayo. And this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And guys, let's live our best lives. So, abangan nyo yung solo adventure ko. It's my first time here in Bali and I can't wait to really explore this beautiful island. Paradise. Okay, paradise.
Paradise.
Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. So nakarating na tayo sa hotel natin guys. Ito yung area niya. So may mga kainan, may resto bar, may restaurant here. Ito siya, yung hotel, Bali Ayu Villas. Here, so nabook natin to via Klook. Around 1,600 per night. Good for 2 na siya. So pwede nyo itong i-book via Klook. I-comment yung link sa baba. Alright?